Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I would like to share you how to change your photo to become a cool boss style. How to do that? So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. So guys, the tool that I will use here is CapCut, and here I am accessing it with my Android phone. But don't worry guys, because this CapCut can be also installed or accessed with your iOS phone or even the tab and even in the PC or laptop. And also don't forget to do the login first with your email to have the access trying out the several tools down here guys. And the next step is I will go to the templates down here beside the edit, and in the searching section here I will type the AI boss filter like this, and after that it will show you the several and also the cool AI boss filter. But I recommend you, if you would like to have the precision or the maintaining the look, if you would like to change the picture of girl, so I recommend you to choose this one. But if you would like to change the photo of a man, so I prefer to use this one or this one guys. And for example, I will click this boss style, and this will give you the preview. And for this template, they will give you one chance to transform the picture into this animation. So I will continue to click use template here, and after that I will start to select the picture from my gallery until it is being uploaded down here. And after that you can continue to click next and kindly wait for the generation process, and also make sure that your connection is good so that the generation process can run smoothly and run fast. Kindly wait for the output guys. And after waiting for maybe 1 minute until 2 minutes, so the result will be ready. Let's see guys. Isn't that cool, right? So you can try this template into your CapCut, and if you would like to save it or download this video or this animation, so you can click export here, and you can continue to click export down here, and the video will be officially saved into your gallery. So that's all guys, I hope this video finds you helpful and entertaining, and if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it in a comment section, because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.